Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you something super cool, how to clone yourself using AI. And yes, you can literally create digital versions of yourself in just a few clicks. So let's dive right in. First, just open the Gemini app. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then make sure you are logged in with your Google account so you can access all the AI AI tools. And once you're in, just head over to create image. Just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the nano banana, the latest AI feature that lets you edit or generate images instantly just by typing a prompt. It's super powerful and really easy to use. Now just upload a photo of yourself. Make sure it's a clear shot because this will be the base for your clone. The AI will keep your outfit, the AI will keep your face, outfit, and maybe pose. So just choose a photo that really represents your styles. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then here's the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. You can type a prompt like this. For example like this, you can just tweak it to fit your styles or maybe pose as that you like. And then the key is to tell the AI exactly what you want, another versions of yourself in a different pose but still matching the original. And once your prompt is ready, just tap on generate. Okay, like this. The AI will create a clone of you in the new pose like this. Now you can experiment with different pose or maybe actions or even add a cool objects to make your clone look more dynamic. And for a quick tip, the clearer your original photo and the more detailed your prompt, the better your clone result will look. And okay, that's it. You have just cloned yourself using AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.